IPhini lika Mengameli wezwe uPaul Mashatile ubehola ithimba likahulumeni obekhona kulo ongqongqoshe beminyango ethile undunankulu waseGauteng kanye nabengamele iminyango kahulumeni esifundazweni.
And that's why the president says, I don't want reports, I want you to go there so that we are able to say, yes, it is happening, and we're going to come back. Even all the ministers report to the president, and they are going to report again in the next 6 months so that we can monitor. We don't want to have problems where we are told something is happening and it's not happening. So I'm happy that we are able to go out. And we're not going out only as national government, we're coming with the provincial government, the premiers here, MEC, so all of us can see.
Kwezinye zezethembiso ezamenyezelwa uhulumeni kule ndawo ngonyaka owedlule, ukusheshiswa kodaba lwenkinga yamanzi kanye nemigodi egcwele emgwaqeni komasipala bangaphansi kweSedibeng.
There are 5 critical issues that if we can't resolve them in this area, it means that government has not started to make a dent on service delivery. It's the issue of water, it's the issue of electricity, it's the issue of waste removal, it's the issue of health or infrastructure, facilities, social facilities, your clinics and all other related matters.
UMashatile akafunanga ukuphawula ngenguyazana yomhlangano wayizolo eLuthuli House obuphakathi kweANC nowabengu Mengameli uThabo Mbeki.